Alright, today I'm going to be changing out the turn signal on my front light signal bulb. See, the left one is out, and it's not too hard or difficult. There's a little access panel here. We just have to turn two of these grooves to the left, turn them 90 degrees.
Tool, but this knife seems to do the trick. As far as getting it on and off, you just get it into these grooves here, and you turn about 90 degrees. Right now it's fastened on. They're both fastened on. But if you want to take them off, you just turn them back 90 degrees, and they'll both pop off pretty easily.
And here's the housing for that bulb. You're just going to turn it to the left counterclockwise and it'll pop out. And here is the bulb with the connector. You're just going to push down on it and turn it to the left a little bit and it'll pop right out. And while you have the bulb plug exposed, you can check to see the terminals, make sure there's no corrosion or anything. Otherwise, I would just replace that out. But it looks clean, so we'll go ahead and install a new bulb. So again, very simple, just push the bulb into the plug and turn it and it'll pop in. If you're having problems trying to fit the bulb into that hole, this kind of worked for me a little bit better. I could look through where the bulb goes into the light housing, and once you feel that the bulb is in there, you're just going to turn it clockwise and it'll snap into place. Put the bulb in, you just screw it in and turn it to the right, you'll just feel it get in there nice and snug. So let's go ahead and test it out. Turn on the hazard. Alright, good as new. This took me probably 15 or 20 minutes, but now that I know how to do it, it'd probably take me under 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, once you do it one time. So next time I have a bulb that goes out, it won't be as difficult.